How to get November dump at your sticker on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get November dump at your sticker on Instagram story. So guys, before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure to update your Instagram app from Google Play Store or App Store, and then after this, let me just get inside my official Instagram account. And here you have to click on the plus icon on the top right corner and then go to camera icon on Instagram story. So just let me just click a random picture here, and then you can see the sticker icon on the top. Simply click on it, and here you can see add yours or sticker option. Here you can see, just tap on it, and then here you have to write November dump, November DUMP, and click on done option, and then just you need to share on your story like this. Guys, if you don't have this add yours if you don't have add yours features on your Instagram story, then what you need to do here is that I'm going to keep this on highlight. Okay, I will keep on this my highlight. You can see here I have already kept, so you have to go to this account random tech 2033, and here you can see on the profile highlights. Simply go here, and then you have to just see here, and you have to click on add yours, and then you can just keep this let me just show you. You can just keep this on your uh, story. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.